I'm Caroline Bonnet and I'm going to show you how to use my salt and pepper coating with lime and chilli on chicken tenders. First of all, we're going to get some water, just normal water, rainwater we use. So easy, just wet coat fry. I've got some lovely chicken tenders here that I'm just going to pop into the water. Open up my salt and pepper coating with the lime and chilli flavours in there. Don't need to use the whole lot, just use as much as you need. And then we're going to carefully lay these tenders into the flour. And then carefully and liberally coat these tenders just like so. Then I'm going to fry them up in the frying pan. Back on the heat. Add in some just vegetable oil. Get it nice and hot so we get a good sizzle happening. Right, take them off when they're nice and golden brown and then serve them up. Like so. I like to have mine with sour cream and squeeze a lime. And there you have it. That's my salt and pepper coating with lime and chilli on chicken tenders with sour cream.